Are you struggling with lack of libido? Having trouble losing the belly fat? Having trouble sleeping? Lack of daytime energy? I was suffering from all these things, and several months ago, I decided to do something about it. I called Dr. Shannon Bone at Advanced Rehab and Medical. A simple test can change your life. It did for me, and now I sleep better. I have more energy, I have more mental clarity, and when it comes to quality of life, I feel like I'm 23 years old again. Studies show that after the age of 30, we lose 3 to 10% hormones each year. So how old are you? Do what I did and contact Dr. Shannon Bone at Advanced Rehab and Medical and ask about BioTE. The T stands for testosterone, the E for estrogen. So ladies, I'm talking to you as well. Because living healthier and living happier can begin with a simple test. With Dr. Shannon Bone at Advanced Rehab and Medical. You'll be glad you did.